so today I'm going to show you what my idea was for Valentine's Day, of how you can make your own Valentines for your kids, or they can design their own Valentines. So the first thing I did was I kind of looked on Etsy and saw that they had these things called Valentine's Day gift tags. And I thought those were really cute. I was like, oh yeah, that's really cute. So I got on Canva, because I have a Canva subscription for digital art. And I got on there, and I can't remember. I think I found this design, like where a person had kind of made this design with the hearts and the cookies. And I was like, well, that is so cool. And I just took their design, because it's free on Canva, and you're allowed to do this. You can take the design and multiple it, and so I put 10 gift tags per sheet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 10 gift tags per sheet on Canva. And then, of course, I printed my son's name from Joseph so that we didn't have to write that in on everyone. And then wrote 2, typed the 2 and left that blank so that we could just write in his classmates' names. And, of course, we got to cut them out, since I printed them out on 8.5 by 11 paper. I went ahead and started cutting them out. I just took the piece of paper, basically cut it in half, and then cut out each little gift tag. So I thought that would be super cute for Valentine's Day. And when I was at Dollar General, they had these treat bags, Candy Talk treat bags that say, call me, be mine, you rock, kiss me, whatever. It has all these little cute Valentine's Day candies on them. And there's 20, it says 40 pieces. Well, that's counting the bread ties. There's actually 20 bags and 20 bread ties, because I made this same set this is for Joseph, and then see, I had a set for Jolene. This is how they came when they printed off the computer. So we just filled in their classmate's name, cut them out. So then I went and I got the gift bags and the candy at Dollar General, because they were on sale. I think they had a coupon or something for the candy, but these little gift bag set was like $3.50 with tax. So I took the gift bags and filled them with candy. Put 2 pieces of candy in there. And you can see how cute this is, right? And then we've got the bread tie. And all I do is I take one of these little gift tags and I punch a hole in it. I don't have my hole puncher, so I just use an ink pen and press here and make a hole. And I'll show you that real quick. Hold on. Maybe if I get myself close enough, maybe. So I'm just gonna take an ink pen and make a hole, on the paper. Press through the paper like that. Oops. Here. See, and then I have the bread tie already on there, so the bread tie has metal in it. So I'm going to fold that little bread tie piece in half like that. And then I found that it sticks right through the little hole I made. And then I twist it together. And how much easier could that be? How much easier could that be for a kid's Valentine? And it'll be so fun. Joseph can just be like, here you go, and drop one on each one of his friends' Valentine Day boxes or on their desk or whatever. And see, they can still read their name, Valentine's Day, James. That's a kid that's in his class. So I'm going to finish making these and show you what they look like at the end. So here we're almost finished with what we're working on. And as you can see, these Valentines look so cute. cute. I love it. I love it. I love the way they turned out, and this was so easy. If anybody wants the link to my Canva little gift tags here, let me know, and I can put it in the video link below, but give us a thumbs up for how we went ahead and assembled and made our own Valentines. So, thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.